All right, so we're going to test something out. I ordered some cup holder inserts for the 2014 F250. I punctured the bag enough to try to get into it. We'll take a look and see if these are going to fit. So this is what they ended up sending. Inside the bag was the box. Inside the box is 4 of these inserts. And let's go give it a shot. Also notice that there's no chiming with the key in the ignition. Turn that off with ForScan. Gotta love that tool. Alright, so let's see if they fit. And they actually fit perfectly. Transferable from the 4 up here to the 2 back here in the back. They fit just fine. But the problem is whenever I have them up front, the one cup that I always do have does not fit. So I ended up taking those out, and those always come back here. I just got done washing those out, getting everything cleaned up. So when my Yeti is sitting up here, you can see how much wobbling that just did. So imagine going down the road. So it just literally does this. Going down the road, any kind of bump, anything like that, it just wiggles back and forth. And so I was trying to find something that didn't take this full insert. And the one I bought, I measured everything out for the bottom of those cups. I found these, and that went in there. Let's move this over. That is awesome. That will change the annoyance that I've had in this truck since buying it, because this Yeti literally goes everywhere with me. Anyone that knows me personally knows that this thing's been everywhere from East Coast, West Coast. It's been to Hawaii, Florida, Colorado, California, everywhere. If I've gone, it's gone with me. So I always have that with me. But that is in the cup holder, and it does not move at all. There is no wiggle. So we're going to go ahead and get that one pulled out, insert these down in here. And it literally is a perfect fit. Remove that charger that I showed everybody on a previous video. Get all 4 down in there. And put that charger back in there. It still fits just underneath the brake controller. So that's perfect. And then, like I said, I still need to do some cleanup on the wiring. But the end goal was to have something that fit, looked like it was factory, and save from the wiggle of the Yeti. And then also, like I said in the video about the cup holders with the charger, my wife gets in here and puts her stuff in. There's always some kind of spilled drink. Like what I said in that video as well, she puts her keys in there, it ends up scratching everything up. But now we'll be protected. So while this is a cheap $10 item for 4 coasters, I just wanted to try to save anyone else that may be looking for a replacement, where if this did not fit your bill because you've got a large drink like that, I mean, you can see that's just going to immediately, you know, it does not fit. You could probably push that down in there, but then you're not going to end up getting it back out. So that will fix the issue, and that'll no longer be a problem. Thanks for watching. And to go ahead and answer the question if they fit in the back, they do fit, but you can tell they're not as tight. So I'll have to measure that out and try to find something to fit back here in the back. But that will cover this video. And if you got any questions, please let me know.